Hello, welcome to Dimple's an Arabian journey, sharing recipes every Sundays and on Thursdays. Please don't forget to subscribe us and stay connected by hitting onto the bell icon for all the further notification. So today's unique recipe is pineapple sheera, also popularly known as pineapple kesari. Hope you all enjoy my version of kesari pineapple sheera. So let's get started and have a look onto the ingredient list. Here I've taken 1/4 cup of clarified butter, that is also known as ghee, half cup of pineapple, can or fresh, your choice, but it also has a bit of sweetness to it, so I'm not adding too much of sugar. I'll be easy on sugar. So the canned pineapple has some sugar syrup to it, so I'm not adding too much of sweetness to it. So half cup of pineapple and then half cup of semolina, which is also known as Sooji or rava, 1 cup of fresh milk, 2 tablespoons of raisins and 1/3 cup of sugar. 500 ml of water. In case you want to completely avoid the milk, you can just double the water amount. Few drops of color. This is completely optional, or you can replace it with kesar. So here I'm adding water and milk together and let it boil for around 10 minutes. While our milk comes to the boil, we can add in another pan the clarified butter, that is ghee, and just roast some raisins. Toss the raisins for a few minutes until it completely changes its color. Keep your flame onto the lowest point of heat or else it's going to burn very quickly. The raisins tends to burn quite quickly, so you need to be very quick enough, just for 2 to 3 seconds, and then you are done. Kindly transfer the raisins into another bowl, and in the same pan with the same amount of ghee, you can just add in the semolina and roast it for good 10 minutes. Post 10 minutes, you can just see a visible change of the color, and also it gives out a unique aroma, a very fresh aroma. That means it is done. So now at this stage, you can add the boiled milk and keep them mixing. See that there are no lumps formed. So just keep on mixing while you add the milk. And just an advice to be very careful because the milk is quite hot. So keep some distance too. Also at this stage, you can add the raisins, the pre-done raisins, and keep on mixing for next 2 minutes. Now the pineapple goes into it. This is the syrup coated pineapple, the canned one. You can also add in the fresh ones. Then goes the sugar, 1/3 cup of sugar, and you can just accordingly adjust the sweet preferences. And keep on mixing for next 2 minutes. Later you can add in the color. This is completely optional, or you can add in some kesar also. At last, do add in 1 tablespoon or teaspoon of clarified butter to give it a unique smooth texture. Mix it for last 1 minute and cook it for just 2 minutes more on a lowest point of heat. Cover them and cook it. A delicious pineapple sheera is good to go. It's cooked to perfect, forms its shape. So this is what I was looking for, the exact texture. So my pineapple sheera is done. It's cooked to perfect. Garnish them with some pistachio, any kind of nuts of your choice, or even some more raisins to it. And enjoy. Thank you for watching, and if you love and like this recipe, do give us a thumbs up and don't forget to Write your comments under the comment section below. Stay connected.